Hello everyone, I am Suparna Das from second semester B.Ed training of Shiliguri Tarai B.Ed College. Today's topic is second poem of West Bengal Higher Secondary Board English syllabus, Asleep in the Valley, which is written by Arthur Rimbaud. First of all, we will know about the poet. Arthur Rimbaud wrote the 14-line poem when he was only 16. He was merely a boy that time, and Asleep in the Valley is written in 1870. And now I am just going through the lines so that you can understand it properly. There are 4 stanzas. In the first stanza, the poem begins with the description of nature. In the first stanza, poet says, a small green valley where a slow stream flows and leaves long strands of silver on the bright grass. From the mountain top strain the sun's rays, they fill the hollow full of light. The poem begins with the description of nature. Here the poet beautifully describes the valley with the silvery stream. It brightens the grass. The valley is also lit up by sunlight. In the second stanza, poet says, a soldier very young lies open-mouthed, a pillow made of fern beneath his head. Asleep, stretched in the heavy undergrowth, pale in his warm, green, sun-soaked bed. Okay? First 2 lines, I'm repeating. A soldier very young lies open-mouthed, a pillow made of fern beneath his head. These 2 lines focus on a young soldier. He lies, his mouth was opened and his head is on the pillow which is made of fern. Here in the third line, asleep, stretched in the heavy undergrowth. Asleep means in the state of sleeping. The next 2 lines describe the bed of the valley. In the third stanza, his feet among the flowers. He sleeps, his smile is like an infant's. Infant means child or a baby. Gentle without guile. His feet among the flowers, he sleeps, his smile is like an infant's, gentle without guile. These 2 lines is very important. How the poet describe the soldier, how the soldier sleeps in the valley. His feet among the flowers. He sleeps, his smile is like an infant's. Like poet wants to say that how the soldier lies open mouth and he was looking such a baby. Without guile means without cunning. Nature keep him warm, he may catch cold. Here, actually the poet addresses Mother Nature to keep the soldier warm so that he doesn't catch cold. Okay? In the fourth stanza, the last stanza, the humming insects that disturb his rest, he sleeps in sunlight, one hand on his breast. In his side there are 2 red holes. In the last stanza, the poet reveals he was hiding in the previous stanza. Here, at peace refers to the eternal peace that comes after death. So, in this poem, Arthur Rimbaud, during one such visit to valley, he found a very young soldier lying dead, open-mouthed, in a bed of fern with 2 bullet wounds in his side. The scene deeply moved him, and he gave poetic expression to his feelings in this sad putting beautiful lyrics. He just elaborate it such a beautiful way in through the poem. Okay, so thank you so much.